Of course, courage is part of our DNA. It is in us. It runs in our veins as human beings, especially as abantwana bansundu. It really is our legacy. But because we are in a state of self-forgetfulness, we have to remember that these things are part of us and they are us. And also because we were plunged into a state of fear, a state of doubtfulness. There are so many things that have happened to us as humanity, as abantu abansundu, as women, depending. There are so many things that have happened to us that we have been conditioned into, we have been placed in, we have been told that is not true about ourselves, and we almost like even got used to some of these things, and we became fearful people, and we became self-doubtful people, and we became self-sabotagers, we became anxious, we became nervous people. That is what we are here to overcome. That is what self-mastery is all about. That is what the soul ascension is all about. We are here to overcome those limiting beliefs that have been planted in us in various spaces, in various environments, by various things, by various experiences, by trauma, by the lies, by the society, by the world, by the system itself. So my insight for today is that as much as courage is part of you and it is in us, you still need to wire up. You still need to tap into it. You still need to remember where the switches are. And what that actually takes is commitment. You have to commit to being courageous with your life, for your life. The difference between somebody who has given up and somebody who has maybe even gotten to a place where they have taken their own life or are thinking of doing that is just that. It's just that remembering where the switches are of courage, remembering wiring within you to be able to tap into that courageous spirit that already exists, that is already part of us, and committing to being courageous, to having the audacity to carry on. It's a commitment to trying over and over again. It's a commitment. Courage is a commitment to not give up. Courage is a commitment to chase your goals, your dreams. Courage is a commitment not to give up on the vision for your life that to keep it alive. Courage is a commitment to live, to breathe, to take it one day at a time, take it one breath at a time. Courage is that commitment to breathe, to say yes to life one more time, to say yes to yourself, to say yes to God every single day, regardless of what the circumstances are. So courage is a commitment. It is a decision. Make sure that you do not give up on yourself and you plug up the courage to continue.